We will review using Warehousing Etc.'s online portal to place an outbound order whenever Warehousing Etc. is generating the shipping label or providing the outbound BOL for the shipment. So if you want to place an order, then within the menu path, you would go to Outbound Orders and click Create. And you'll be brought to the screen where you can begin placing an order. Or within this Outbound Orders, you could go to View, and there's an Add Order button here. Click that, and it brings you to the same screen. And within the order details, we'll just start filling out this information. So if we have our own unique order number, maybe the client has asked us to put a specific number in here, we'll just use this random number for example. And then because Warehousing Etc. is providing the shipping label or the BOL for the shipment, we will include the recipient information. So recipient 1, no company, then we'll fill out our street address. Populate the state, the zip code, then we'll click next once we have all of our order details filled out, and we're ready to add our products to the order. So from this drop down menu, we'll have our list of SKUs here that we can select from. You can also type in here to start sorting and then pick the SKU. And then we have our quantity. We could use the arrows to increase or decrease, or just type what we want here. If we want to add more than one item, we'll click Add Item button. Then we can once again select from the drop down list, enter our quantity, or we can search from the list, use the arrows to add an item. So we have 3 items on our order, and that completes it. So we're ready to move forward. And then for the shipping information, we have these questions that we're going to answer for this shipment. So will you create the shipping label? No, you're going to have Warehousing Etc. do it. And then since Warehousing Etc. is going to select your shipping method, then how do you want them to ship it if you do have a preference? The least cost method means that we will ship it via the cheapest means possible. If you selected next day, that would be 1-day shipping, 2-day shipping, 3-day shipping, standard parcel service, less than truckload if it's a couple of pallets, or a dedicated carrier if you have a full truckload going out. Most often it'll be least cost method. And then you'll want to fill out if you have any other documents to upload. If you have a packing list that you want us to include with your shipment, you would click yes. Then you would have these upload files. Pick that file. And once the file has uploaded, it'll be listed right down here. I could click the X button to remove it. You could also click on it and it will download for me, as it did here. And then if I have any special notes of any sort, then I could put those in this field. And then once I've completed all of my information, I might want to go back and review and make sure I have all the correct items and quantities listed here. Make sure that I have the right order number, my recipient information's right perhaps, and then once you're ready to submit your order after you've confirmed all the information is right, you'll just click Submit Order. And we are taken to the Outbound Orders view page where all of our orders are listed. And we can see that this is our order right here, and it is in requested status. It was requested on November 22nd. It has 3 total SKUs and a total of 3 units. And this order is now placed.